Today we are looking at the Samsung WF70F5E2W4W/E washing machine in white. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. The Samsung ecobubble WF70F5E2W4W washing machine combines the latest washing technologies with sharp and sophisticated design to make your laundry days a breeze. Capacious washing, featuring a 7 kg load capacity. You can be sure that the Samsung WF70F5E2W4W will have room to accommodate your household's laundry with the minimum number of loads. Capable of reaching an impressive 1,400 revolutions per minute its spin speed, the chore of having to hang up dripping washing over the bath will be a thing of the past. Faster spin speeds remove more moisture. A machine with an eco-friendly conscience, the Samsung WF70F5E2W4W has an impressive A+ rating for energy efficiency thanks to the ecobubble technology, which froths the detergent with air and water before the cycle starts to generate small bubbles which penetrate fabrics more rapidly. The result is a cool wash which is as effective as a warm wash, saving you up to 70% on energy when compared to a less efficient washing machine. A whole host of programs, the Samsung WF70F5E2W4W washing machine gives you lots of washing programs to suit each laundry load. If time is of the essence, the Quick Wash program will get the job done in an amazing 15 minutes, and for delicate or sensitive skin, the Baby Care program will minimize the detergent residues in the fabric. With the Smart Check feature you can also solve problems with your machine using your smartphone, which guides you through fixing your washing machine. Transform the humdrum chore of washing into a no-hassle dream with the Samsung ecobubble WF70F5E2W4W washing machine. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.